Dreaming about living on a cul-de-sac lot with breathtaking mountain views and a private pool? I'm Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate Team, and welcome to 6530 West El Cortez Place in North Phoenix near Stetson Hills. Nestled on a desirable cul-de-sac, this home boasts a picturesque backyard with breathtaking mountain views. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a bright and open living space that's perfect for entertaining guests or simply hanging out with family. The kitchen features new stainless steel appliances and gas range, and plenty of counter space to whip up your favorite meals. In the master suite, you'll find a spacious master retreat, complete with a lovely ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Plus, there are 3 additional bedrooms that offer plenty of space for your loved ones or guests. But the real showstopper is the backyard oasis. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while gazing at the majestic mountains, or hosting a barbecue with friends while surrounded by beautiful sunsets. This backyard is truly a paradise and the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. This North Phoenix property is located in the highly coveted Deer Valley School District and just a short car ride to the shops at Norterra and the TSMC factory. Interested in learning more? Give me a call, Blair Ballin, at 480-233-6433, or visit me on my website at blairballin.com.